Happy Valentine's Day, dear explorers of love. As Cupid draws back his bow, we find ourselves at the dawn of a grand journey. Welcome to Cupid's Choice, Top 5 Romantic Destinations in Greece. Just as the Greek god Eros, also known as Cupid, plays matchmaker in the realm of gods and mortals, we aim to play matchmaker between you and the enchanting landscapes of Greece. In the spirit of love and adventure, we're about to embark on a tour that will take you through the most romantic spots in this land of love and legends. So fasten your seatbelts, as we take flight on the wings of love to the land where gods themselves fell in love. Our first destination, the allure of Greek romance awaits. Ever wonder why Greek gods of love and romance like Eros and Aphrodite are so revered and celebrated? The answer lies in Greece's rich tapestry of mythology, where tales of passion and intrigue abound. These stories have left an indelible mark on the landscape, painting each destination with a unique hue of romance. And so, as we embark on this journey, we invite you to explore the lens of love through which Greece reveals itself. Prepare to journey through Greece's most romantic destinations, each with its own unique story to tell. At number 5, we have the enchanting island of Corfu. This gem of the Ionian Sea is a feast for the senses. Imagine lush landscapes that take your breath away, with olive groves stretching as far as the eye can see, and mountains that rise majestically against the azure sky. The old town of Corfu, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a charming maze of narrow lanes where time seems to stand still. The Venetian architecture whispers tales of a bygone era, adding to the island's allure. Corfu's beaches are nothing short of stunning. From the tranquil waters of Paleokastritsa to the sandy stretches of Sidari, these sun-kissed shores are a lover's paradise. And let's not forget the sunsets. Nothing quite compares to watching the sun dip below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange, while you hold your beloved's hand. Corfu, a romantic destination that effortlessly combines history, beauty, and love. Coming in at number 4 is the sensational island of Santorini. A place where the sunsets paint the sky with hues of purple, orange, and red, creating a spectacle that's world-renowned and truly a sight to behold. It's like each evening nature puts on a show just for you. Here, the houses are washed in the purest of whites, offering a stark yet harmonious contrast to the cerulean blue of the Aegean Sea. The blue-domed churches scattered across the island add a touch of architectural charm, a nod to the island's rich history and culture. For those who appreciate the finer things in life, Santorini offers a plethora of romantic activities. Imagine sipping on the island's unique volcanic wines with your beloved, the taste of the divine nectar encapsulating the essence of the island, or sailing around the caldera, the sun dipping into the sea, its reflection painting a golden trail on the water. Santorini, a destination where love is as beautiful and timeless as its sunsets. Meteora, our number 3, is a place where love meets mysticism. Imagine towering rock formations, majestic in their grandeur, standing as silent sentinels to the passage of time. Nestled in these rocky giants are historic monasteries, each with a story that adds to the rich tapestry of this awe-inspiring location. Picture yourself and your loved one, hand in hand, hiking the winding trails, the scent of wildflowers wafting in the air, and the whisper of the wind as your only companions. The breathtaking panoramic views will leave you speechless, and the tranquil silence will allow your hearts to communicate in a language only love understands. Meteora is not just a destination, it is an experience that invigorates the senses, a place where tranquility and romance dance a timeless waltz. Love in Meteora is a journey of discovery, of finding your own sacred space in the heart of your beloved. Meteora, a destination where love thrives amidst serenity and spirituality. At number 2, we have the romantic island of Rhodes. Renowned for its radiant sunshine, Rhodes is a captivating island that blends the enchantment of the past with the beauty of the present. As you step into its medieval old town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, you are instantly transported to a bygone era. The cobblestone streets, the towering city walls, and the ancient buildings whisper tales of knights and nobles, of battles and victories. The heart of this medieval town contains an exquisite gem, the Palace of the Grand Masters. This imposing fortress, with its stunning mosaics, offers a glimpse into the grandeur of the past. Each stone, each arch, each mosaic piece carries a piece of history that adds to the romantic allure of the island. But Rhodes isn't just about history, it is also about the breathtaking beauty of nature. The island is adorned with scenic beaches with crystal clear waters, perfect for a romantic stroll or a sunset picnic. The sound of the waves, the soft sand under your feet, and the warm Mediterranean sun create an atmosphere of romance and relaxation. And let's not forget the ancient city of Camiros, a place where time seems to have stood still. Walking through the remnants of this city, one cannot help but feel a connection to the past, adding another layer of depth to the romance that permeates the island. Rhodes, a destination where love and history intertwine. And at number 1, we have the classic city of Athens. Immerse yourself in the history and culture of Athens, the cradle of Western civilization, a city resonating with an allure that transcends time. Just imagine walking hand in hand with your loved one through the cobblestone streets of Athens, basking in the golden glow of the sunset. As day turns into night, the city comes alive with a vibrant energy, offering a plethora of experiences for the hopeless romantics among us. Now, envision standing at the foot of the Acropolis, the ancient citadel towering above the city. As the sun begins to set, the Parthenon bathes in a warm, ethereal light, creating a breathtaking spectacle. This iconic monument, a testament to the city's glorious past, sets the perfect stage for a romantic evening. But the romantic journey doesn't end there. Oh no, it's just beginning. As dusk descends, the delightful neighborhood of Plaka, with its narrow, winding streets and neoclassical houses, invites lovers with its quaint charm. Here, among the maze-like alleys, you'll discover cozy tavernas serving mouth-watering Greek cuisine and rooftop restaurants offering stunning views of the city. Imagine dining under the stars, with the illuminated Acropolis as your backdrop. It's like a scene straight out of a romantic novel, isn't it? And for the dancing enthusiasts out there, Athens' vibrant nightlife will not disappoint. From energetic bars to bustling nightclubs, the city hums with an irresistible energy. Dance under the moonlight reflecting off the city's ancient ruins, creating memories with your partner that will last a lifetime. Athens, a city where love is as eternal as its history. So when are you planning Greek romantic getaway? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. Happy Love Day, everyone.